Hello, this is Guy and Zane again.
And Cutie Pie. Don't forget Cutie Pie.
Say hi. Is that a hi?
Yeah, I think that's a hi. And everyone, this time we're going to do a taste challenge. This, an arrow.
It was partly melted though.
Yeah.
Look, I just accidentally snapped it a little. It's
Yeah.
peppermint. But Guy, do you like peppermint?
I do not know. Oh, yes, you can see the green. If you want to see the green, this is the green.
Yes, Guy and me do not like peppermint.
So, we're going to see if it's real life peppermint.
But also, Guy, you cannot let Cutie Pie lick your hands after you ate the chocolates because chocolate is poison for dogs.
Because Zane thinks we're not going to like it, and I think we're kind of not going to like it and kind of are going to like it.
Okay, I'll set it down there. Then we'll get up here.
Take your piece. This is your piece.
I get the melted one.
I got a melted one too.
The chocolate.
And what is it?
The camera's the wrong way.
Yeah, you see that. So, should we eat it? Okay, you already got it for that. Oh.
No. I don't like it.
I like the chocolate, but the mint, no. Wait, you forgot the water.
You go get the water. No, I don't need water. It's not as spicy as I thought.
Oh, no. You're right. I don't like it, everyone, but
People who like mint will love this.
instead of trying to get this, I was trying to get a Kit Kat that was green. And so, brown.
I was just watching. Cutie Pie. Cutie Pie, why are you staring at us? You need water? You need water, Guy? Don't like it, do you? Oh yeah, but also we have good news too. Scorpion had more babies.
Yes,
Need water?
yes. Only
Okay,
people like sour. If only people like peppermint. Taste this.
Yeah. Only do this if you like peppermint. Guys, you cannot let your own camera.
Yes, I know that.
Guy, your glass of water is almost ready.
It's gross. Yeah. If you like peppermint, only do this. Warning.
Is that helping?
Good. I am not trying another one. You should have got the one already. Yep.
Yeah, so we can show you Scorpion's babies.
Wait.
My water is good.
Don't look at the actual.
Wash off your face.
I did.
It's dripping.
Yeah, because I literally did this. This is what I did. What are we going to do with the other pieces?
Give them to someone who likes mint. Or trade at school. No, Guy, how about we have to try another piece
Another piece?
at the end of the video?
Fine. But,
Okay.
I just am not going to do that. I'm going to be sick after this video.
No, you're not.
Probably.
Yeah, so we are outside, obviously. You can tell by the sky. We're coming over to Scorpion's pen.
We are not editing. We don't even know how to edit. Can
Edit?
I have this?
Why?
This is.
Okay.
So any button.
Okay, the camera is right there.
No.
What are you looking for?
My
Right
friend, you know you watch Ben Sunderland's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You watch. He said, if you want to cut out the parts, you just there's a button up here right beside it, and then it would cut out some until you press the button again.
Okay, you need to cut Scorbunny's nails.
Yeah, look at Scorbunny first, and I'll just get ready.
Look at Scorbunny's nails.
Now I opened
Hi, Hop.
the pen.
Hop, talk to us.
It is open.
Hello, Scorbunny. You can see me, can't you?
Zane, you want to look at them or not?
Scorbunny. Oh, yeah, I want to see them. Here, guys. I'll grab this.
Very big. Very big rabbits.
This.
Very big rabbits. If you want to look at them,
Sorry that just was staring at the sky for a second. Now I've got the board on, so okay, we don't need this. No. I can just. There they are. 2 brown ones, 2 lighter brown ones, and 1 white one. I thought there was 5. Oh no, there is 5 in there.
what are you doing?
What are you doing, little bunny boy?
What is that? Buddy, what are you
Bunny
doing?
boy?
Buddy?
What?
No, they're stepping on Buddy.
We need to say bunny.
No,
Buddy.
Buddy's over there.
Where's Buddy? Oh, there's Buddy.
No, that's not Buddy.
Hi, Buddy.
Buddy is right. How did you get out, Buddy?
Buddy, are you in here?
No, Buddy's out.
Buddy's out.
That's Buddy.
Guys, they can jump over the fence. They're big enough.
Buddy?
Guys, they are stacking.
Guys?
They are stacking.
No, Buddy. You want me to put you in timeout again?
What's that white thing on your trampoline?
Oh, wait.
I mean red thing, not white.
Oh, that's a boat. That's what she's seen that you put in your hair.
Oh, scrunchy.
Yeah, I know. No, it's not a scrunchie.
Scrunchy is something that you put in your hair.
My hot tub's gonna be.
It's just a block of cement.
No, but
A big block of cement.
there's going to.
Yeah. So it's hot out here. I am driving away with the camera. Bye bye.
Everyone.
Whoa.